Hello friends, welcome back. I hope you're having a wonderful time zone. If you're new, you can call me Mitha and I like cozy games, books, and lifestyle. Now, this is a safe space, so I'm gonna let you guys in on a little secret. I have always been so scared to decorate the Grand Harvest house. Now, I know that sounds silly, but I've just found that space so large that it's been a little daunting for me to design. So today I'm gonna show you how I tackled my fear and what I did to decorate the bottom floor of my Grand Harvest house. When it comes to large projects, I would highly recommend splitting it up into sections. So I split it into 4 sections: a living room, an open storage, a reading nook, and a mirror corner. If you're interested in the reading nook, I already have a tutorial on my channel, so I will have that linked down below. But for now, let's get started on the living room. For walls, I'm using the Floral Felicity wallpaper and natural wood paneling. And then for floors, I'm using the reclaimed wood floor. On the center of this wall, we're going to be placing 3 builder stone walls right in front of each other. This will be the start of our custom fireplace. It's okay if there's a little bit of space between each wall, and after placing those, place a Paltech large wall vent on that last wall. Next, we're going to stack 2 small stone crates on both sides of the stone wall. And make sure to rotate the stone crates, that way your stone pattern is unique. After that, place 2 small stone crates on both sides of the stacked ones. Now we're going to make a ledge by placing 4 wood plank pavers on top of our fireplace. After that, place 1 spring fever flat trellis and 3 industrial bookshelves on both sides of the fireplace to make a custom bookshelf. One thing I've been obsessed with lately is layering frames on top of each other, and I was able to recreate that in Palia. So here I take the bellflower mirror, and I was able to layer both a Homestead medium frame and a Homestead small frame on top of that. Now we're going to finish the ledge with candles, lights, and of course plants, because we got to make this feel super cozy. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with books, so of course we're going to be placing books. But one thing I've been doing recently that I love is using one of the gemstones or star stones as a bookend. I just think it looks so cool, and the gemstones are super pretty, so it makes for a magical bookshelf. I'm so excited to finally be using this firewood holder in a build. I feel like I'm so unlucky when it comes to getting recipes in rummage piles. There's so many items I would love to decorate with, but unfortunately, I have no luck. So let me know if anybody else struggles with that. And if you have all the recipes, I am so jealous. And that's it for the living room. Honestly, it took me forever to brainstorm exactly what I wanted to do for this space. So I'm really happy with this, and let me know what you think down below. And this next build is for all my certified girly pops. We need an OOTD corner in this space, with the Ravenwood mirror being the star of the show. That mirror is so gorgeous, so this build is inspired by that. From the corner, place 5 small stone crates, and then go ahead and remove the one that's closest to the corner. Next, we're going to be placing 7 builder's wood floors on top of each other, but each level is going to be slightly rotated and connected in the corner in order to make a spiral staircase. After that, make a 2x2 square with 1 more aligned with the staircase. Now that we're done with the floor, we're going to merge the floor with the stone crates that we just placed. And once you're done placing that, we're going to add 1 more stone crate so it aligns with the molding. Next, we're going to place 3 small stone crates beside the door with 2 stacked wood walls next to the wall, and stack 2 pillars beside the stairs. And now we have a corner that matches our reading nook. But now it's time to decorate, and we're going to start off with the Ravenwood mirror in that corner with 3 industrial wall shelves beside that. This may not be a shocker, but we're going to try to make this corner as cozy as possible. So we're going to add some cozy baskets, lots of plants. We're going to add books, some candles, and the stackable Palcat pillows. I love these. I really want some more, so I hope we get more in the future. But I really just wanted this corner to be a cute, cozy OOTD corner where you can check your fit before you go flirt with Reth, or in my case, Hacian, or really any of the villagers, because they're all so cute. And up next, I'm going to be showing you how I created this open storage situation right next to my stairs. And we're going to start off with 4 small stone crates aligned with the wood panel. After that, stack 2 wood pillars next to the wall. Then you're going to place 4 more stone crates beside the others. And then we're going to create a 2x2 square with the wood walls in the center of those 8 blocks. We're also going to double up on that to make the walls a little bit thicker. After that, we're going to stack 2 stone pillars beside the wood walls to cover that gap. Under the stairs, I wanted to create a usable storage area, so we're going to add some storage chests with some decor items like the homestead barrel to really complete this area. Then we're going to create add some open shelving with the industrial shelf by making 3 levels of 2 shelves. And now it's time to organize, or more so make it look like you're organized. So we're gonna add some cozy baskets on that first shelf with some homestead items like the small pot and large pot, the Kilima fruit basket, some barrels, and also ancient treasure chests. And my goal with this space was really just to make an area where I can place my storage chests. And I'm really happy with how this turned out. But guys, this is it for the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps me grow the channel. If you like a live setting, I do stream over on Twitch. It's just at MifaPuff on Twitch. And I play a lot of Palia over there. It'll be linked down below with all my other socials. And I'll be back again next week with another Palia video. Until then, make sure to stay safe, drink water, eat food, take care of yourself, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye, everybody.